Matt, we're all very familiar with the MicroLoc work holding system that you supply, but what new did you have in store for Mac 2020?
Well, hello, Gio. Me and my father, my father invented the MicroLoc system a few years ago. We have been developing together. I've been calling him in out of his retirement, and we've been developing together a 5-axis vice that's pneumatic. We wanted it to be pneumatic and not hydraulics because a lot of automated systems run off pneumatics. So the plan is that we've already designed it. We were just literally making the prototypes when all this happened. So obviously we've shelved it, but it will be at Mac. Definitely, it will be at Mac in January. But the idea behind it is it's going to work with automated systems. It's a 5-axis vice, a self-centering vice, but it's going to work on automated systems, and it's going to work in the opposite way. It's going to use you're going to have to put the pneumatics on to release the components. So it's going to use sort of springs to clamp the part, and then you release the springs to unclamp it, and that's when the pressure goes up.
So this sounds very exciting new technology, and it sounds to me like you're really focusing on the automation aspect, especially like for 5-axis machines. How important do you think automation will be when we come out of this current environment that we're in, really, and well into the future? Do you think it's going to become more prominent?
I think it is, definitely. I think perhaps we're going to be onshoring more stuff here. We're going to be making more in the UK. Obviously, because we're a British company, it's all manufactured here in our factory in Cambridgeshire, and I think it's going to be very important. I think we're going to have to compete with the rest of the world, and to do that, we're going to have to automate this, and there's no two ways about it.